Aryans Group of Colleges, Chandigarh, established in the year of 2007, being run by a family of teachers in North India.
I am Sunita from Himachal Pradesh and I am a student of JNM third year. Before I joined this college, I have deep interest in medical, so I joined this college because this college provides good quality of education for all the students.
Aryans Group of Colleges takes pride in being an educational abode having around 3,500 students from all across the country. It hosts lush green lawns that provide clean and serene environment. The sprawling campus measuring around 20 acres of land, pollution-free campus available for students to have ample space and perfect environment for academic and extra co-curricular activities, sports and games. Aryans Group of Colleges, having state-of-art infrastructure, is located on main Chandigarh-Patiala Highway. Rajpura, Chandigarh is very well connected by road, rail and air. The campus has a world-class academic block with well-designed, fully equipped, spacious classrooms with LCD projectors facility, state-of-the-art computer labs, laboratories, workshops, which are well-equipped with most sophisticated and ultra-modern scientific equipment of international standard, which makes students more confident and helps them to become true technical professionals, providing free education for SC, ST, OBC students. For second future of the students, the courses offered by Aryans Group of Colleges are duly approved by all the regulatory authorities like All India Council for Technical Education AICTE, New Delhi, Indian Nursing Council INC, New Delhi, National Council for Teacher Education NCTE, Jaipur, Bar Council of India BCI, New Delhi, Pharmacy Council of India, New Delhi, etc. and are affiliated to IKG PTU, MRS PTU, Bathinda, and Punjabi University, Patiala, Punjab State Board of Technical Education and Industrial Training, etc. Aryans is supported by a long list of top companies who have regularly provided placement opportunities to the students. Around 50 job fests have been conducted by the group, in which around 15,000 companies have participated so far. Students staying in the campus have fully residential infrastructure, well-furnished separate accommodations for boys and girls with mess facilities. Aryans Group of Colleges has the transport facilities from Chandigarh, Mohali, Panchkula, Rajpura, Patiala that help the students from nearby areas to commute easily. Come and be a part of Aryans family. We polish the gems of tomorrow. Aryans Group of Colleges, main Chandigarh-Patiala Highway, Rajpura, Chandigarh.